Hey, welcome back to Cocktail Cards. Today, we're going to show you how to make the Tequila Sunrise. Now, this was a very popular drink when I worked at the Spanish bar that I was at, and it's actually very simple. It's very easy to make, very easy to drink. It's just not much to it. So let's go ahead and jump in and talk about the ingredients here. So first of all, this is a tequila drink. So I'm gonna be using Espolón. Go ahead and use one of your favorite mixing tequilas for this one. And next you're gonna need orange juice. So I have some fresh squeezed orange juice. You could definitely use a store brand orange juice, just as long as it's not from concentrate. And the next ingredient will be grenadine. Now, if you really want to elevate this cocktail, you can make some grenadine at home from scratch. But if you are in a pinch, you could definitely use the grenadine in a store. It's not going to make or break this drink all that much. Lastly, you're going to need an orange because we're going to do an orange wedge to garnish. So let's go ahead and jump in and show you how to make the drink. All right, now most places you go to, they probably won't even shake this cocktail. They'll probably just layer it for you. I like to shake it just because it does have orange juice in it, and it just, you know what, if you're gonna do it, you might as well do it right. So let's go ahead and build this out in either your pint glass or your shaker. And the very first thing we're gonna do is add 2 ounces of tequila. And next we're gonna add 4 ounces of orange juice. Now at this point we're ready to shake, so go ahead and grab some ice, and we're gonna give this a shake for about 8 to 10 seconds. So what I like to do to make this look a little bit more like a realistic sunrise is I like to do this a little bit backwards. I know a lot of people just pour the grenadine over the top of the drink. I like to add the grenadine first because you want the kind of darker red to be on the bottom for the full sunrise effect, right? So let's go ahead and add 1/4 ounce of our grenadine. Now let's add ice to the glass and then strain our drink into the glass. Next, go ahead and take your bar spoon, I like to use the back, and just kind of give it a little stir on the bottom, and that'll help kind of blend in the grenadine with the rest of the drink and start giving you that really cool sunrise gradient effect here. Look at that, that looks so gorgeous. So now we're gonna grab our orange, and I like to think of the orange as kind of like the sun that's gleaming off the light here, right? So unfortunately my oranges are humongous. So what I like to do is do a wedge and have it kind of rest on the top, kind of like the sun shining down. So let's see if I can do it, if I can cut this at an angle here and slide this in, if there's enough room in this glass. All right, perfect. And there you have it, the Tequila Sunrise. That's good, that's dangerously smooth. Tequila and orange juice are the primary flavors there, and the grenadine just kind of helps sweeten it. So, you're getting a little citrus from the orange, and the grenadines just kind of help balance it all out. But yeah, this drink basically just makes you feel like you're sitting on a beach, drinking a good fruity tequila cocktail. So it's pretty darn good. There you are, the Tequila Sunrise. Hey, thanks for tuning in to the Tequila Sunrise recipe. If you enjoyed it, you know the drill. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please do consider subscribing. We will be coming out with regular recipes multiple times a week, so you're not gonna wanna miss that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you get a chance to have the Tequila Sunrise. As always, if you've ever had this drink, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know if you would do anything different in this recipe and if you enjoy this cocktail. So that's gonna be it for me in this video. I'm AJ with Cocktail Cards, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.